Hey, welcome to my ePortfolio. So this is my homepage right here, obviously. My name is Nathan Cortez. I am a highly motivated college student pursuing a degree in physics. And so my website goes over everything you need to know about me, my experience, and my interests. And feel free to ask any questions. And so if we go to About Me, here I go over what sparked my interest in physics. It all started in my senior year of high school when I finally understood some of the processes of how the world works and how it motivated me to get to where I am now, earning my PhD in applied physics. And here we have my research interests. I am artificial intelligence, medical imaging physics, nuclear medicine physics. And here on this side we have my education. So I started college at Pasco Hernando State College. I earned my AA degree there. And this year, I started at the University of South Florida, where I now have a minor in physics and will eventually earn my PhD. And if we go to sample work, we can click on these PDFs right here. So this is one sample, talks about a comparative dosimetric evaluation and carcinoma right breast for convex chest wall. And if we go to this one, it talks about low-dose radiation therapy for COVID-19. And if we go to my resume, it's all right here. See, we have my skills, my work experience, my education again, some contact information, some hobbies. And if we go to contact me, we have my phone number again and my email. And you have the chance of putting your name and email and writing a message to me, and I'll be able to view it that way. And here, lastly, we have my blog. So this is it right here. Has all of these videos and articles you can look at. And we can see it works perfectly fine. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed looking at my ePortfolio, and please feel free to contact me if you have any questions.